Well, here we are. Time to pick up the boat. We've just hit adult Disneyland. Look over there, Billy. Here we are. Okay. Put that in there and take it out there. So as you can see, all the welding's done. Now we're off to flooring, then to paint shop, then to fit out. Follow me, let's have a look what's happening next. So we're all prepped, ready to go into paint now. You can see it's all been buzzed down, taped up. The next section is going in to get primed. Okay, so she's all painted. Let's go down to fit up and wait for her to come through there.
And that's
ready for the
nice
boat.
thing. And she said,
okay, let's get a trailer under this, get a motor on the back, and let's take it home. Okay, so this is the first one out of the factory with a 75 horsepower E-Tech on the back of it. It's going to go like a ball terror. I can't wait to get it back to the factory, finish decking it out and getting it in the water. That's what I'm waiting on. Let's get the show on the road. Okay, all on the truck. The next step's to go back to the factory, get a coat of paint on the side of this and start rigging it up. Stay tuned, watch for our next video and we'll show you how we're going to transform this boat into something special.